this is my passion project. So in a day I give about at least 1.5 to 2 hours a day.